Hello students, in the present video I am going to explain you about that how to draw a parabola by using tangent method, rectangle method and by parallelogram method. So as discussed so far in the previous problems with regarding to special methods of the ellipse, we have seen the major axis and minor axis for the special methods. But in the case of the parabola, we are just going to see about the base and the axis, because as of the thing in the curve of this parabolic and in the parabola, whatever we are going to see, it will be very close enough, but the other end of the curve will be open. So whereas the point here for drawing the parabolic curve, we just choose it as with the base and only with the axis. So right now, proceeding to the first special method, that is tangent method. So how do we go ahead for drawing that? I am going to explain you in this video. So as of if we see the question, it is given as draw a parabola of base 100 mm and axis 40 mm by using tangent method. So first I am going to draw that one using 2H pencil. As for the given case, draw the base which is of given around like 100 mm. First, draw a straight line of 100 mm length. Mark it as A, B. Choose the midpoint. Whatever we just go ahead for drawing, use the 2H pencil at the initial point. Then afterwards, only for the parabolic curve, we need to draw it with HB pencil. So now, after drawing the base of 100 mm length, mark the midpoint of this 100 mm line. Mark the point as C, and from the point C, draw the line first of length 40 mm. So mark this point as D. Where C and D, so this is what the length, what it is about to be said as like axis. So right now, with whatever the length from the point C to D we have taken, again draw another line, just extend the line of the same dimension. So such that, marking the end as E. So such that C to E will be around like 80 mm. In this method, whatever it is given, the axis is yet about to be taken into double the dimension. Now, from the point A, draw a line up to E by using 2H pencil only. Join A to E and as well as B to E. So such that it appears to be just like a triangle ABE. Now over on the sides of these lines, the slant lines, take as many number of equal divisions. So the same thing that I am going to show it to you right now. So as of thing, just measure the length. Measure the length. So the length is around like it's around like 90 mm it is. So the 90 mm length, whatever you are just about to see, you can go ahead for dividing it by the procedure as what we have discussed in geometrical constructions by using acute angle method, or else we say it with the other name also, like dividing a line into n equal number of parts. The same methodology you can adapt over here. So or else if not, so with the 90 it is just round figure value. I am taking 5 mm of as equal division. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 like that. So each division I am taking it as, so such that I will be getting a very finite curve over here in this. 85. So this will be the point 90 over here at the point. Now similarly, keeping your drafter scale, just go Mark the adjacent points over at the point here by keeping your scale as what I'm doing it here. Move to the next corresponding point, locate it here. So this is what it makes your work to do it very easy and faster. So now, as what I have made some equal number of divisions, starting from the point A, I am giving the numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is what I have given. I have made this 90 mm line into 18 parts, but the points we get it as around like 17. Now what the numbering I have given it from A to E was from down to up. Now start giving the numbering from up to down. Reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So now the thing is that join the same corresponding point. So as of here you see the 1 here, the upside the 1 is here. So join 1 to 1. Like that you do it by using the HP pencil. Like that, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like that. As what I am doing it in this video, you just follow the same procedure, so such that at the final you will be getting it the parabolic curve. So this is what the parabolic curve, what is shape, you are going to get it by this tangent method. So right now this is what the methodology that what we use it for construction of a parabola by using tangent method. So next video I am going to explain you about that how to draw a tangent by using rectangle method.